that particular hi-hat, that whole thing, like that's I really got that more from drummers in Brazil. That's how they play bossa novas, you know. They you know, yeah. And then I could do it here. Different ways to make the time feel.
I actually didn't know that and haven't seen that before.
Oh, okay.
What you're doing with your right hand there, that's very cool.
Yeah, it's pretty, yeah. And I saw, when I was in Brazil, I saw a lot of Brazilian drummers do that because that's how they would play a fast, because there's only so fast you could play a bossa nova with one hand going, right? So once it's faster than that, yeah. Yeah. It's more belly. You know, and that's how they do it. I was like, it's pretty cool.
Have you seen that? I haven't seen that before. Have you seen that? We have
well, now we're seeing it for the first time on the Drum Channel.
We have two people with degrees coming out of college that are great drummers here, and they haven't seen that either. So